Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome to my vlog. Last year I vlogged my 18th birthday because I thought like, woo, legal, crazy things. By crazy things, I meant I bought about 7 lottery tickets and won about $3. Never claimed that. But today, I'm turning 19 and I wanted to vlog it with you. So far today, I went to breakfast with my dad. We have this little tradition that we've had since I was in like middle school where we go to breakfast. So this morning, he drove to my college and we went off campus and we went and got Whataburger. So you know your girl got a honey butter chicken biscuit. It was so good. But I went to class and I just came back and my roommate surprised me and she had to sneak out really quick. So we'll be showing her later, but I wanted to show y'all what she did to our room while I was gone because it's so cute. So I came in and she like made this really cute happy birthday banner. She blew up a bunch of balloons. This is a present I opened that it's a mess, but it's okay. But then she got me Topo Chico because that is like my favorite thing to drink. For whatever reason, like I just really like drinking water, but Topo Chico is like better than regular water. And then look, little unicorn straw. She got me some ice cream, which I'm so excited about. And she decorated my mirror with all these sweet notes. Oh, but guys, she gave me this tiny crown. I'm wearing a tiny headband crown. Oh, I'm living. So now I'm about to put a dress on because like I'm just feeling it today. I just want to have fun. I have an exam, so we also want to like grind hard, but that's such a weird phrase. Ignore that. I have an exam today, so I mean, want to do well on that. But other than that, I just want to have fun. So exciting. I love birthdays. Birthdays are so much fun. I have absolutely no plans, but just getting to be with the people I love and party, quote party, have a good time. It's a great thing. Yay! I wanted to like sit down and talk about something I was just thinking about. I have class in like 40 minutes, so I'm kind of in a weird, like, my friends are all out doing stuff. Like, by doing stuff I mean like school, and I'm about to go back to school, so weird downtime I'm gonna use to study in a minute. But something I realized today, felt kind of weird about birthday in college, because like you're not like with your family or your friends from high school, you're like with your new friends and you're like living in a new place. And just in my head, I don't know why, I just felt like no one would do anything, and that's dumb. And like even if no one did anything, it would still be okay. But like I realized I used to think like when I was younger, like the more people who said happy birthday to me, like the more loved I was. And I know that like, you know, it's when you say that out loud, you're like, that makes no sense. But like it was that feeling of like, oh wow, so many people said it to me, like, oh, that's so cool. Like it was like the having the attention. But I'm at this point, maybe this is just me getting older, but I'm at this point where I'm like, you know what, like I have been surrounded by people who make me feel so loved, and like just like it's noon and the things people have done for me in the past like 5 hours since I've been awake, I'm like, I feel so loved. And so it's one of those where it's like it doesn't matter how many friends or how much, like it's never about how many people it is so much about the quality of the people you surround yourself with. And I'm just so thankful for the people. Let me walk you through my day so far. First thing this morning, my dad and I went and got breakfast because it's our little tradition. Went to class, came back. My roommate Mary decked out our room. I mean, it's super cute. She got like Topo Chico and ice cream because she knows those are like my favorites. Then one of my friends who is always busy during the day like came and had lunch with me. And it's just one of those where it's like the little things, like y'all, my love language is quality time, and people like spending 30 minutes to an hour with me makes me feel like the most loved girl in the world. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I have this crown, and this is from Mary as well. Y'all, I don't know if you've met Mary or not yet. Mary's the best though, so pretty soon we're gonna like do a roomie video together because like we gotta. But yeah, I am strongly considering wearing this to my next class, except it's my honors class and the people in there I feel like might judge me. But then I'm also like, what do I have to lose? I'll let you know if I wear it or not. But I will probably carry my backpack regardless because this is the cutest thing I've ever gotten. Anyways, I gotta study now, so deuces. I'm never gonna say that again. So I just came back from class. Sarah and I are supposed to hang out for a little bit before my exam, but we both have so much to do. But while I was gone, Mary left a card. Oh my gosh, I didn't see there's stuff on the back. Mary left this very long card, and like I'm like starting to cry. Like I got so blessed having Mary as a roommate. Shout out to you for flipping this card over. Oh my gosh, I love Mary. This is really funny. This is a joke we've talked about before. I love her. What's the thing upside down? I'm confused. Is this a cow or a person standing on a globe? And hashtag important life questions, hashtag things to know, hashtag getting degrees. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, I see. It's a person standing on a globe with a hat, or it's also a cow. Y'all, what a birthday. Okay, we have less than an hour until my exam. Who knows how that one's gonna go. Sarah's in my room. We're chilling on my rug. Look at all these balloons. That made me think about, look at all those chickens. Yeah, but it's okay. Yes. So Sarah's chilling. And I am doing a Quizlet. It's fine. Yeah, this is what it looks like when you have to go to college and have your birthday at the same time.
Toss your balloons in the air.
Oh, I will. So I feel like a princess with this crown on, and it's been a lit time. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I need this for a thumbnail. Hang on. I don't know if that worked. Do you think I could screenshot part of that?
Probably. It like kind of like.
I need a balloon drop is what I really need in here.
Wait.
Mary's birthday. Mary, don't listen. We should drop balloons from the ceiling. How do I get a net for that? How do I do? That's such a good idea.
You look so cute, so I'm still recording.
Oh, thanks, my dude. I feel sometimes when I do when I do things like this, I start to feel like a cat. You make me think of a cat, except I feel like that would make you sad, but you kind of remind me of a cat. No! Ah! Oh wait, don't pop it on the fan. Oh gosh, no. That scares me. Look at all these balloons. Look at all these chickens.
All these chickens.
Yee! Oh my gosh.
Wait, put your Tweety bird in the video.
Okay. Yeah, this vlog is gonna be a hot mess. Where'd she go? Shh, it's okay. No, I didn't. I just moved her to a... No, she's on my desk. It's okay. You're like silent screams. Okay.
Oh my
it's not
gosh.
focused.
I just read your shirt and I realized you were wearing cheetah shoes and I was like, this is not a coincidence.
You're right. You're so right. Look at this. If you haven't already seen it, look at this. Okay, I'm back. So Sarah lost my birthday card because...
No, I didn't. It's in the bag.
So Sarah made me a cool birthday card in addition to the birthday card she didn't lose. I wish they could see you. You're like not happy.
In the bag.
So I may or may not have an unhealthy habit of saying "eat" every 5 words. Oh, one of my friends is calling me, but look, it's Yeety Bird. You know me so well. Okay, we're going to a dinner now. So Adrian and I are going, and Ashley and Sarah are real ones, so they're driving us.
Love that.
Love it.
Hey, rock on.
Sarah.
Was I not in it? Oh no.
It's okay, I got a really bad angle of my chin too anyways. Didn't put on falsies, but hey, we're still out here. Say hi.
Hi.
These are my friends. We just had a mini impromptu birthday party. Then they were destroying my room because they're insane. Oh my gosh. I have the most thoughtful friends in the world. I just got back from an event, so I'm dressed like this. But then y'all, still wearing my crown. I'm a fan. I have to show the cloud goggles.
The what?
The cloud goggles. I'm gonna get changed really quick. Okay, here. Okay, wait. I love being the messiest. Okay, so I was going to my birthday dinner tonight, and then my friends and my mom were all sneaky, and they surprised me, and so we all went together. Woo! So now we are on our way to the Domain because it's my favorite place ever, and while we're riding in the car, we're trying to come up with band names for our girl band. You know, just trying to be like Donna and the Dynamos. Sarah, share some of our favorites.
So right now on our list we have The Leftovers, Hot Mess, Sweet Life, and Disco Confetti.
There you go. I'm wearing my new sunglasses from
right
Diff,
next to that white car.
and I think they're the Bellas. We were talking about parking. Check these out. I feel like I'm
see there was a
really
line. Yeah.
Why did they do that? I guess maybe they didn't want anybody parked next to them.
They're just rude. Yeah, there we go.
Let me know. Woo! Everyone surprised me. This is not what I expected. Yeah! You want to say hi?
You made it!
Christina, you're in the vlog. Woo!
I woke up early for you.
I can't believe you woke up into this. So that's why we were late to breakfast. You pressed the wrong button.
Away.